Hello everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of my show. Today's talk with Ashi. I hope you are doing well in your life. So, as you know very well, I invite different kind of personality in my show, and we talk about something kind of different topics. So today we have a very wonderful guest. She has recently completed his her NIFL journey, Miss Satya. So, without wasting your time, let's get started to ask her NIFL journey. Okay, so hello Miss Satya.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
And I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. Did you face any kind of problem while coming to my show?
No, ma'am. I did not face any kind of problems, and now I am okay.
Okay, so as we know very well, I will ask your NIFL journey, what you have learned from this NIFL journey. So, can I ask some general question about it?
Of course, why not? You can ask.
So, how was your NIFL journey? What you learned from here?
Okay, ma'am. So, my NIFL journey is very excited and very powerful for me because from when I started coming here, so at the time I did not know more in English because my English was very weak and because I am in a Hindi medium student, so my English was very big. So when I came here, so after that, sir gave me different tasks and presentation topic, talking sessions, and the all thing. So after that, I increase my English communication, enhance my personality day by day. So like this I completed my journey.
So, as we know very well that whenever the student come here, so we gave the test to that person. So, ma'am also asked you some question about yourself, and so what kind of questions were coming in your mind when you were giving that answer?
So when did ma'am give me a test paper? Yes. So I completed that, and I think grammatically error I was very mistake at the time. Yes. So ma'am gave me a test paper, and I completed that. And the second day I started coming here.
So, there are lots of presentation happens. So, when you gave the presentation first time, so what kind of problem did you face? Because if I talk about myself, when I gave the presentation first time, so I was not able to give the presentation. I thought that how should I speak? So that kind of thought were coming in my mind. So I want to ask, what kind of problem did you face while giving that presentation?
So after 2 months, starting coming here, after 2 months, sir told us, and tomorrow I will take your presentation, and you will have to give presentation on the stage. So at the time, I feel very nervous, and I feel like that, yeah, how I will complete my presentation, because at the time I feel very nervous, agitation, and means many things going on my mind. So because sir took a presentation on Wednesday, so Tuesday sir told us, yes, tomorrow I will take your presentation on the stage. So at the time I felt very nervous and agitation and very fear. But first time I gave presentation, and after giving presentation I feel something well because yes, I uh, I have given my presentation, and after that increase my confidence, and I felt, yes, I can give again presentation in front of everyone. Yeah.
So, what's your favorite moment? Because when you came here, you did not know anyone in the that class. So after coming here, you made friends also. So what were your favorite moment?
Favorite moment. Okay.
With your
um
friends, we can
with
say.
okay, I don't make many friends because yes, I don't like make more friends and any relationship because I am introvert person. But yes, I made 2 to 3 friends here. Yes. So my very Sorry, again.
I asked what were your favorite moment with your friends.
Moment, yes, okay. Moment. So my favorite moment, like that, on the fort, when sir took us to go outer session talking with strangers. So that session is very memorable for me.
Okay. So I heard lots of students said that Pradeep sir, their role model, and he is a very good motivational speaker. Whenever he speaks very confidently. So what's your opinion about Pradeep sir? What kind of person he is?
So yes, I want to say. I also want to say Pradeep sir is a very, very, very good sir, very well sir, because he is always support student and always motivate students. Yes, and always I think he is always positive. He is positive person. So always spread his positive things on our student. So yes, Pradeep Agrawal sir is very good.
Has sir ever motivated you when you were feeling not good and you said that you think that I'm not able to do any kind of task? So sir motivated you or not?
Yes, many times are motivated me when I felt very weak and very nervous. So at the time, sir, many times, sir, yes, motivated like this. Yes, you can do this, and these things in your going on your mind. So these things are very well, and don't need to take stress and all thing, and always are motivated me.
So if someone asks you that they want to learn communication skills also and they want to enhance their communication skills, so what would you like to suggest to them?
Okay. I would like to suggest to them, like yes, if you are feel very low, like yes, I am not able to communicate with people and talking with anyone. So I would like to say to them, yes, everyone can do this. Yes, everyone can do this, and anyone don't know english and communication, and their communication is very bad, and personality also very bad. So I think they should come here and yes, enhance our personality, and yes, increase communication and all things.
Okay, so what last message would you like to give to my audience? They want to also enhance their communication skills and also they want to learn English. So, what message would you like to give?
Okay, so I would like to give my suggestion in your audience. Okay, so I think communication, personality, and all things is very important. They are very important because if you are go in front of anyone, so I think you need to confidence and confidence level, and also your personality is very well you have. So I think everyone has these things, and if anyone don't doesn't has like this personality, so I think they can come here and learn these things.
So, thank you for joining us, and also thank you, Satya, to come here. And thank you for watching us. And we will meet to the next video. Thank you.